Adelaide's dawn, Port Augusta's red dirt. By the time I'm done yawning, Coober Pedy's opals gleam in the rear view light. Alice calls me north through the dead of the night. The old Stuart highway's a dusty old friend, where the road trains roll and the horizons don't end. Saltbush plains and a million-star sky, a Truckie's kingdom where the eagles fly. Oh, it's red dirt, coastal sand, and a rig in my hand, from the great dividing range to the Barkley sunbaked land. Through every outback town where the pavement runs thin, I've got Australia humming deep in my diesel heart's den. Tennant Creek's a blank, them three ways I meet. Catherine's monsoon rain on the windshield beats. Darwin's heat wave whispers, you run out of south, but I turn that wheel for the Gulf country's mouth. Townsville steel gates, Broom's pearl seashore, the Nullarbor silence, I've cursed it before. From the Flinders sharp ridges to the Kimberley's glow, this rig's my home wherever the blacktop goes. Oh, it's red dirt, coastal sand, and a rig in my hand, from the great dividing range to the Barkley sunbaked land. Through every outback town where the pavement runs thin, I got Australia humming deep in my diesel heart's den. Some boys chase the sun where the Pacific curves, but I'm a slave to the curves of the great northern swirls. Through Cloncurry's copper and Mount Isa's my shine, the road's my religion and these wheels are my shrine. They'll find me one day where the bitumen fades, near Marla's Roadhouse or the Birdsville charades, with a CB static laugh and a map in my head. I'll be just another legend, the grey nomad spread. Cause when the roos dance in my high beams glow, and the frost clings hard on New England snow, I'll still be chasing that endless blue yonder, a steel horse rider, Australia's wild wonder. So pour me a beer when I hit Darwin town, a cold of mates, let the amber drip down. For the highways may fade, but the memories are made of a life spent wild on Australia's long chain.